Hey, what's up everybody? Andrew Undem with the Sure Group of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, and today we're in Canton's best location, the 3300 block of Elliott Street. 1 minute from Target, Merritt Gym, easy access to 95, and we have a giant end unit, 2,800 square feet, 3-bed, 3.5 bath, easy parking, A+ location. I can't wait to show you. 3303 Elliott. It's just so wide. You're gonna love this one. When you enter on the first floor, you'll immediately notice high ceilings, nice light fixtures, and the incredible width. It doesn't even feel like a row home. It has a foyer-like feel. Large bedroom here on the first floor, complete with its own full bath, tons of storage underneath the steps, and with a dueling closet here. 2-car garage off of a super wide alley, all here on the first floor. Welcome to the second level here at 3303 Elliott. A couple things to point out. Wrought iron railings, oak stairs, beautiful hardwood floors, and this is what everybody wants. A wide open floor plan, exceptionally wide, tons of natural light, only found on end units. It's just an enormous family room, fireplace, deck, dining room, but my favorite feature, a 10-foot long island, 2-tone cabinetry, herringbone marble backsplash, stainless steel appliances, a powder room tucked in a convenient location, and so much room over here you could have an eat-in kitchen situation as well. You will not find more windows on an end unit in Canton than you will here at 3303 Elliott Street. Welcome to the third level. You're immediately greeted by this beautiful window pane. It does have a custom treatment so you can close it down, but this gives you a good glimpse into a totally redone owner's bathroom. Welcome to the owner's suite. Again, end unit, windows, high ceilings, ceiling fan, 2 walk-in closets. In one of my favorite rooms in the house, the primary bathroom. Marble double bowl vanity. Huge frameless glass shower with rainfall, recessed lights, just a spectacular design. Also upstairs is an additional bedroom complete with its own full bath and access to your rooftop deck. And finally, welcome to your rooftop deck. What I love about these types of rooftop decks are you can use the whole deck. It's got a ceiling membrane that's meant to be lived on and walked on. So you have an enormous rooftop deck. Killer views. I'm looking right at Fort McHenry where the Star-Spangled Banner was written. Don't forget it. If you're interested in 3 suites, 2-car garage, A+ location, and almost 3,000 square feet, you have got to check out 3303 Elliott. Like a lot of listings in Canton, it's not going to last. We'd love to show you inside. Contact me or anyone at the Sure Group. We'll take great care of you. Until next time, see you out there.